Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a purple bird. The purple heron. The purple heron is a wide-ranging species of wading bird in the heron family. Favors fresh marshes with tall reeds and other vegetations. It breeds in Africa, Central and Southern Europe, and Southern and Eastern Asia. Large heron with rusty head and streaky neck. Juvenile is extensively rusty brown on upper parts. Only likely to be confused with larger and bulkier Gray Heron, which is paler and grayer overall, with a stouter bill. It hunts for a range of prey, including fish, rodents, frogs, and insects, either stalking them or standing waiting in ambush. Their calls are like locally named Karawal Koka. I have seen the purple heron in many places. One such place I have seen them is Bellanwila Wetland Park in Colombo. Bellanwila Wetland Park is one of those parks when you complete the complete circle of 4 kilometers, you're likely to see a minimum of 20 types of birds. You must try this if you're in Colombo.